Jill from Peoria, Illinois, has a question about her flooring.
Right in the middle of America, right there.
That's pretty much.
No, it's not.
Actually, you know what the most middle is? Because I was
Kansas, somewhere in Kansas.
No, Omaha, Nebraska.
Is it really?
That's why the head of Strategic Air Command at one time during the Cold War, they put it right there because it was the most middle you can get. My dad was stationed there several years. I went to kindergarten there.
That's right. Tom's dad had his finger on the button.
And do you know why in San Antonio? Just we're doing Air Force trivia.
Yes.
That all the medical centers were in San Antonio.
No,
it was the one place that the Russians could not hit with a nuclear weapon unless it came from a submarine.
Beyond two. Okay. Okay. And before we get to Jill's flooring, did you know?
We give all secrets
away. And this actually relates, Jill. Did you know that Lackland? They don't call it Air Force Base anymore. What do they call it? Joint Forces Base or whatever?
Maybe.
Lackland in San Antonio.
I know that one, yeah.
Is where they train all the dogs for the Army and the guys at the airport, and the ATF, and they retire them there. They have a whole training facility there.
Oh, cool.
That's where we got our little lab. Shadow.
It failed?
It failed.
It failed. Some dogs do fail,
He was afraid. They called him Shadow because that's what he's afraid of. He's afraid of his shadow. Anyway, Jill, meanwhile, is replacing her bedroom carpet and wants anything but carpet because she's got dogs. Jill writes, I have seen solid bamboo and eucalyptus floors, and I brought samples of the bamboo and eucalyptus, and when I scraped them with a nail, they did not scratch. However, when my husband got a hold of it, he scratched it against the grain going the other way, and it left scratches.
Sure.
I have cherrywood floors in my living room, but the dogs have scratched them up badly. So Jill is looking, Tom, for a dog-friendly floor. What's your recommendation?
Tile.
Yeah.
You're not going to scratch it. Dogs are going to scratch the floor. I don't care. They're livestock. They're going to scratch the floor.
They're not livestock. They're living things.
They're animals.
Okay.
So they're going to scratch the floor. Anything will scratch the floor. Even your kids at one point in their life are livestock. They scratch the floor too. But I'd go to tile. Now, you can get the wood look tile.
You sure can.
So that might be the option. But tile, that's why they use it in veterinarians' offices and things like that. That's really the best for animals. It cleans up after they make their messes and the scratches.
Are porcelain tiles tougher than ceramic? Or?
They are tougher, but both of them will handle an animal.
Okay.
It's just wood and bamboo. I mean, it's going to scratch.
Okay. So
period.
Can a ceramic tile look like a porcelain tile, or do they have a slightly different look? Are they
You can't tell the difference by looking.
You can't?
No.
Okay.
You can tell the difference by working with it. You can't score and snap a porcelain tile. It has to be cut with a machine, things like that. So they're more difficult to lay down and more time consuming.
Right. But you're saying in practical use, no difference.
I don't care if it's laid right and you got a good tile. It's good. Look at the body and then look at the coating on top.
What are you looking for on the body?
You want it to be about the same color as the top. So if a little piece gets nicked off, you won't see it.
Okay.
You don't like a red body with a brown top. If it gets nicked off, then you're going to have a problem.
Now I know you're the home improvement pro, but I'm a homeowner. I'm going to give you a tip. Make sure if you do get this tile, you buy 4 or 5 extra boxes and put them in the garage.
You got to have extras
because they're going to stop making them. And you're going to get a cracked tile someday, and you're going to cry because you're not going to be able to replace it. So there you go.
Well, don't cry.
Well, you may
tile.
You may, gnashing of teeth and tearing of garments or something.
Fine.
All right.
I'd buy a throw rug myself.
No, there you go. Tom's got an easy cure for everything. So whatever's going on in your house, send him, and he has a prescription. Just go ahead and send it to HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button. Fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video just like this. And subscribe to our channel and click the bell, and you'll know when we post a new one.